people were asking us for contracts. And we're like, this is just a Figma prototype. We don't have it yet.
Yeah.
But thank you.
That's amazing.
And at the same time, like, I was just continuing to experience the pain myself going to events and having it take forever. Like, I cannot believe this hasn't been solved yet. I've had the idea for a long time. And yeah, that's how it went.
Cool. And so who did you reach out to first? I guess obviously you're pretty connected in the sales world. So finding sales leaders that go to conferences pretty regularly are probably 30 of your best friends that you're reaching out to. Is that fair?
A lot of that, a lot of marketers, a lot of former coworkers of mine that went on to start their own thing and gone through the founder journey and knew what I was getting myself into. Yeah.
Roughly how many conversations? I heard 30 kind of prototype feedback sessions. How many?
Yeah, it was probably
40
on the initial, and 30 or so said, yeah, this is super interesting. We want to learn more.
And the source of those 40 was like referrals, word of mouth kind of thing?
Yeah, mostly. I mean, we also just reached out to people that we thought would be a good fit and said, hey, we're thinking about building this thing. Would you mind giving us some product feedback? That's a minority, though. The bulk of them were people that we knew.
Yeah, fair enough. It's always way more handy when you could sell or you could get that feedback from the folks within your network.
Yeah.
So the validation process, 40 initial interviews, 30 feedback sessions. Where did the first customer come from?
First customer came from a former customer of mine at a previous startup from 13, 14 years ago, who was one of the initial people that we interviewed, saw the value. He had recently gone off on his own and saw the need because he was building out relationships at events. So he said he was absolutely willing to put a little bit of money toward it and asked for a contract, signed it, and paid by credit card same day. So that was great. And then our first enterprise account came from an event where we ate our own dog food and showed them how it worked while they were struggling with the whole fishbowl full of business cards.
Oh, that's awesome. I will race you. And what a great opportunity to go and like show off the product. And because you're actually using it, you're not just rubbing it in their face. We're
very lucky being a marketing tech company, selling to marketers, have budgets and understand pain, going to places where marketers hang out. It's really nice and convenient for us.
So first customer came from customer development interviews. And where did your next customers come from?
LinkedIn. Chris and I are both incredibly loud and well networked on LinkedIn. We post and build in public and drive a lot of demand there. We paid a little bit of money to get our own website and got a bunch of random inbound leads, but like that's all anecdotal.